Congrats on obtaining your CFE. I've been in franchising 12 years since I was in my early 20s, and one of the best things I did was get my CFE. Remember, this is just the start. Keep learning, keep educating yourself.
Congratulations to all the graduates. From the people working in franchise, thank you for learning more on how to build a brand. Thank you from the franchisees that you will support and grow. To the vendor partners that are coming through and learning about franchising and how we do business to support the franchisees, thank you.
Earning your CFE reflects your commitment to learning, leadership, and the ever-changing role of relationships in business. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of this year's CFE graduates. You've invested in your personal development, and now it's time to put the new skills and knowledge to work in our franchise community. I'm especially proud of my teammate at Gold's Gym, Billy Bridges. Thank you so much for the way you show up for our franchisees, our brand, and our team every day. We are proud of you.
Hey Jim, Dominique Main here to wish you epic congratulations on your accomplishment of earning your CFE. Way to go, my friend. And as usual, you didn't just sit back in the crowd. You grabbed that microphone and belted it out big time. Can't wait to see what you're up to next.
I want to congratulate you on achieving this magnificent milestone. It's no small thing to become a CFE. I know how hard it is. There's mine. I can honestly say after 38 years in the franchise sector, it's one of the best things I've ever done, and I hope it works well for you too. Well done.
Hey Andrew and Mike, I wanted to congratulate the both of you on graduating and achieving your CFE designation. The Stitch & Cooperman franchise team and practice is very proud of the both of you, and we're very excited to see what the future holds. Congratulations.
Congratulations, CFE grads. You've earned what is arguably the most actionable and valuable certification of your professional career. Your future is bright. Let's go.
Congrats on earning your CFE. Congratulations on all the hard work. It is well deserved.
Congrats to all of the CFE grads. Remember to always keep learning, keep listening, and keep compounding the little things every single day. And just like money, those results are going to add up before you even know it.
Quick shout out to the 2026 CFE graduates here at IFA. We know this designation is not easy, and it takes real commitment to the craft of franchising and doing things the right way. Good luck and congratulations again.
CFE graduates, welcome to the club. Not only have you added knowledge and credibility, but you've also added a whole new network of franchise friends, and I can't wait to meet you. Congratulations.
Congrats, y'all. We'll be cheersing to you tonight. You deserve it. You worked hard.